Hi, welcome to Indira's Kitchen, and here I'm again making up my recipes as we go along. So here we have two two-thirds of a cup of brown sugar. Now it might look oddly brown because I ran out of brown sugar and I had to add a darker brown sugar. So there you go. This is like a ombre sugar. 1 very large cup of ground almonds. It usually I'm looking up at Pedro because he's standing over my head and then telling me what to do. So if you go by small measuring cups, that is this one. We do 2, otherwise 1.5 normal measuring cups of ground almonds. Okay, and this is avocado oil. It's healthier than most oils like olive oil, but it doesn't have an aftertaste, so it really does work well. And here we have cashew nuts all the way from Goa. Well, someone brought them in, not me. And so it's a handful and 2 handfuls of raisins. And here we have saffron. Per gram, more expensive than gold. And I have 600 ml of milk. I use semi-skim milk. And this is it. Now, as I tried to frighten you with the sugar, it's true. I use brown sugar usually, but I did run out. But you can use just brown sugar, white sugar, whatever you want. And we're going to go from there. So here I have, yes, you're right, a saucepan. That's what I like, a very intelligent audience. Now to this, I am going to add me oils. And then get really anxious because it's not heating up on time. My 2 handfuls of raisins, 1 handful of, there's a couple of people here who've never seen me on a cookery show and they're wondering who on earth listens to this rubbish. And my saffron goes in. One is my husband's buddy, all the way from Hong Kong. The other is my physio and a friend I've known since he was a teenager. And now he's a hunky guy. But I was just born 2 decades too late, so it's okay. Now, I'm waiting for this to actually heat. It's decided not to today. In case you see me looking up there, it's because Pedro's staring down at me like I'm a weirdo. Yes. You know, I was going to do spaghetti bolognese, but I had no bolognese and no spaghetti, so tough. I did actually have everything, but then I thought, how boring. Let me give them something they can actually eat in the summer. So this, by the way, can be eaten hot and it can be eaten cold. Like a perfect couple, my husband likes it cold and I like it hot. We are a marriage made in heaven, or hell, as the case may be. Now I put in the almond, stirring it around, and hope to God it's in the right order. No, I'm joking. So my cook Joey always told me, don't worry, as long as you put a lot of love in it, it'll taste good. And I'm standing by that one. Add my sugar. Now remember, once you start adding sugar, you have to put liquid because otherwise it will caramelize and then stick to the pan and then you have to wash it, which is never a good idea. It's not about the taste. It's about the fact that you have to wash a pan that's full of caramelized sugar and the taste goes haywire. So either way, you can't win. Now, a real chef would not cook this because they wouldn't know what the hell it is. So that's why you people come to me, because you have the easy way out. You can cook a dessert on a sunny afternoon. Actually, very nice out today. Oh, and I got my hair done and I got my nails done today. So there you go. Now to this, I'm adding the milk. And now we boil the hell out of it till it goes soft and thick and gunky. And that is it. Someone's walked in and I hope to God they don't say anything because it is a show in progress. So, oh, they went away. I must have scared them away. So this is bubbling, and there you have it, my almond kheer. And this is what it looks like when it's done. Because here's one I made earlier. Now, I made all of them taste it in case it was really bad, and apparently it's really good. So, Pedro, you can take a picture. It may not look glam, but it tastes really good. And that's that. That's today's show. All in 5 minutes, and you can have it cooled or you can have it hot. So, this is Indira saying bye bye, and happy Almond Kheer Day.